Pent-up demand, but further legs to go for these names. The first rates then on your screen this Friday morning. It promises to be a bit of a quiet start, but I think today is really going to be more about individual names. So let's start off with Dr. Reddy. Is already indicating a price tick of about 5% higher. The market pre-open rates were indicating about a 0.5% move for the Nifty. 0.5% it is, 11,576. Look at DRL, 3.5% higher and counting up. It's good to see that the market breadth is so skewed in favor of the advances. That's a very good breadth to start off trade with. Fingers crossed on whether this stays put or not. Lupin up 3.5% as we speak right now. Cipla up 4%. The entire pharma basket is what is holding up in trade. Nacto Pharma, a 4% uptick coming in and now climbing up 4.5%. Clearly, Nikunj, pharma is the sweet pill this morning.
Yep, it's re-rating clearly, Aisha. I mean, it's one of the sectors where there is EPS and P. If they both go higher, then it's a very potent combination. For a lot of sectors, EPS has not gone higher, P has gone higher, whether it's autos, consumer discretionary. And there are a lot of sectors where, you actually typically when market leadership starts, the perception changes and earning comes later. In pharma, Q1 numbers were good, and whatever the pharma companies have got in terms of approvals, in terms of the pipeline, no FDA problem. It's a sector which is right now roaring because there is momentum, there is earning support, there's a perception change, and there was a lot of under ownership that's a couple of months ago because all funds were overweight banks. And now because what's happened in Reliance, I mean somewhere they've been forced to revisit pharma and IT so that they can try and come close to beating the benchmark.